P reflection to the god and goddess of this planet Kai. Today I'm gonna show you how the laws of attractions work in this world. How to get what you want or what you desire to have in this world. Understand? Number one, when you plan, don't switch off your plans. When you want to chase money or you want money to come to you, do not switch off the plan. Do not focus and put your mind into someone who's saying, I got this, I got this, I got this, and you wanted that something. Don't switch it off. Whatever you want is going to come back. As long you had a plan for it, and that plan was never been scratched, it's coming to you. Number two, always show up to what will make you get what you want. Always show up. Don't have a holiday. Don't say today I'm sick. Don't say today I can't walk. Don't say today I can't talk. Don't say today I am coughing, I can't show up. Always show up, because people are waiting every day to get what you have so they can give you what you need. Always show up to it. Always. Don't complain. Understand? If you want it. Number three, do not doubt yourself. Do not doubt yourself and say, I don't have this, so it won't work for me. Do not doubt yourself to say, there's a lot of million people who know this information. Why should I give them? Do not doubt yourself. Do not doubt yourself that you stay in a shack and those people are staying in a rich house, so they won't listen to you. Do not doubt yourself by any means. Don't doubt yourself. Understand? Always say this word every day when you wake up. I am special. I am everything I needed. I love myself. I am always happy. I'm a winner. Understand? Always say that word. Those words, they will bring the positive words to you. Or every day when you look at yourself in the mirror, always say this word. I am special. I am everything I needed. I love myself. I am always happy. I am a winner of my life. Understand? Number four, train your consciousness to plant a beautiful seed in your brain. Train your consciousness to always plant a beautiful seed in your brain. Why? Because, it's easy for you to give up. To say, that thing, it won't work up. Maybe tomorrow you have 1 follower. Tomorrow you have 2 likes. Tomorrow you don't have a likes. Tomorrow people, they don't like your picture. Always, you by yourself, always plant the beautiful seed in your brain. Always. Because if you love yourself, you will make it possible for others to love you again. Understand? You will make it possible for others to love you. But if you quit on yourself, people, they will quit on you. They will say, yeah, we knew well. Learn to plant a beautiful seed in your brain and not to give a fuck at the end. Who's going to say something about you or what they will say about you? Learn to not give a fuck. Understand? Everyone is here for their mission. So your brain needs to be planted with a beautiful seed every day and say, I need to do this. I need to do this. The more you start, the more it will grow. Understand? It doesn't matter if you start small, but know that thing, it's yours, and it will grow bigger. And once it grows bigger, it will bring what you wanted in your first plan. Number one, I said plan. Number two, I said always show up. Number three, I said do not doubt yourself. Number four, I said train yourself to plant a beautiful seed. Do not quit on yourself. The more you give, the more the universe will give back what you want. And it's always testing you. Are you ready to get it, what you say you wanted? Always show up and don't give a fuck. Peace reflection.